York is an incredible city with so much to see, but if you only have one day to spend in York, what should you do? I'm James, a free walking tour guide, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to spend a day in York. York is really well connected by rail, with direct routes to most of the UK's major cities, so I'd suggest leaving the car at home, avoid the traffic and take a train right into the centre of the city. Once you've arrived, why not join me on a free walking tour around York? Starting at 10 AM from the Roman Column, it's a great way to see all of the main landmarks and discover the history of this beautiful city. From the most breathtaking buildings to the narrowest of streets, glorious parks to majestic rivers, you'll see it all. Places are limited though, so make sure you book in advance at the link below. The tour finishes just a short stroll from York Minster, which is the country's largest Gothic cathedral, making it even larger than Westminster Abbey. You'll have already seen the outside on the tour, so now it's time to head in and marvel at the beauty of the stained glass windows and sculptures. You can also go down below York Minster and see the remains of the old Roman fortress that was located on this site. Then, if you want to get a really great view of the city, you can climb the 275 steps to the roof of the Minster. With all this walking, you'll no doubt have worked up quite an appetite, so why not indulge in a traditional Yorkshire meal? You could head to Betty's for afternoon tea, or go to the York Roast for an English roast dinner wrapped up in a Yorkshire pudding. After a delicious meal, why not have a bit of a relax by taking a cruise along the river? Lasting around 45 minutes, you'll get a unique perspective of the city as you sail down the Ouse. As we head into the late afternoon, you should make a visit to the Shambles, which will now be a little quieter, allowing you to explore its many wonderful shops that make you feel as though you're in the middle of Diagon Alley. As the afternoon gives way to the evening, it's time perhaps to get a drink at one of York's many pubs. For a cosy medieval feel, I'd suggest going to the Royal Oak, which is actually my dad's favourite pub. For a cocktail bar, the Evil Eye is a great choice. York has a wealth of options when it comes to food. For a great range of choice, head to Spark, which is a series of old shipping containers that contain small kitchens offering food from across the world. And with that, it's time to head back home. I hope you've enjoyed this guide to a day in York, and I really hope that I'll see you on a free walking tour. Make sure that you sign up at the link below.